We are here today to discuss Jasmine's question on, so we're talking about Chapter 6, Exercise 15, page 344. And the question states, the following code should display the numbers 1 through 4. Determine what is causing the code to not display correctly and provide the correct code. So I've gone ahead and brought that in as you've been looking at. And we've got dim number as integer equals 1. Do while number is less than 5. And I seem to have cleared out my, there we go, message box dot show parenthesis number dot to string. And then it loops. Our issue here is that we don't have something that is changing the condition, and therefore we are stuck in an infinite loop. So what I'm going to do is first demo how that is happening. So the current problem is you click start and you hit 1 and you still are always getting 1 because there's nothing to change the number. And I can't break out of this. I can't even get back to the exit. So I have to actually go back onto my upper menu and click Stop Debugging. That's the big red button up at the very, very top. And just click that. And I'm going to uncomment out number equals number plus 1. This is your number plus equals number, or I'm sorry, number plus equals 1. You know, there's a lot of different variations depending on what language you're working in. So that's all I need to do for this. I have a couple of other things here, so just kind of ignore those for a second. But if I click start, I can actually click start and it gives me a 1. Then I click OK and it actually increments to 2. And so on this message box, each time you click the message box, it increments, where at 4, if I click on it again, it's now gone away because 5 breaks the condition. We've broken out of the loop, and now I have a choice to either start again or exit. So I'm going to go ahead and exit. Now, when I first thought about this question, I actually immediately went to input box and being able to put it in that way, which could very well be done. So if you were to just go through and remove this and comment out number, you'd have to also add in the input number as a variable. And instead of having prompt and title as being variables here, since it's only used once, you can actually just insert the strings directly into your input box code. You also have the ability to create an autofill, which I usually just call autofill, in which case this could suggest the next number, which is your current number plus 1. So this means that you could go anywhere. You could choose. You don't have to go incrementally to number 2, 3, 4. You could just jump straight to 4, or you could jump straight to 5 and break the loop. This is just an alternative way, and it's where my brain went first, which is why I left it in the code. This here was a thread for sleep, but I didn't actually end up using it because the message box doesn't automatically refresh. You actually have to click OK each time, so I didn't need it to stay on like I originally was thinking I was going to. But it's just one more concept that I left on there because it's something that's fun to think about. So I hope that answers the question. It gives you 2 different approaches to being able to solve this. And yeah, there you go. Thank you very much.